Hello students, welcome you all to the new session of integrals, that is integration by the partial fractions. Okay, what are the terms related to partial fraction? In this session you are going to learn what is the meaning of partial fraction, after that what is a proper fraction, what is improper fraction, and before going to learn these things we must know what is the rational function. Okay, means what is the meaning of resolving it into partial fraction? Means it is a purely the process of expressing given proper fraction as algebraic sum of two simple proper fractions. Okay, before going to learn these things, first you must know what is the meaning of rational function. Okay, what is the meaning of rational function? In the simple way I'd like to explain what is a rational function. The function which is in the form of f of x divided by g of x and g of x not equal to 0. Okay, where p of x and q of x are, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. Got it? Polynomial functions. Okay, means a rational function is the functions which are in the form of f of x divided by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0, and this f of x and g of x are polynomial function, then it is called as a rational function. Okay, the next aspect you need to learn is what is a proper fraction. In this one, proper fraction, it is also very simple. In the simple notation manner I'd like to explain, that is degree of f of x, or you can say it as a highest power of x, or a highest power of x in the numerator. Degree of f of x must be less than, f of x must be less than degree of g of x, degree of g of x. Then we are going to say it as it is a proper fraction. I'd like to write a example here. Example is very simple. X plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. What is the degree of f of x? Here the degree of numerator is 1. Degree of numerator is 1. Degree of denominator is 2. Means degree of numerator is 1. Degree of denominator is 2. Means highest power of the in the denominator we need to calculate. We need to note down there. Degree of numerator is 1. Degree of denominator is 2. That's why degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. That's why it is called as a proper fraction. Okay. The next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What's the meaning of improper fraction? It is very simple to understand. That is nothing but a degree of f of x, either it is greater than or equal to degree of g of x, degree of g of x, then we are going to say it as a, which is an improper fraction. I'd like to frame an example here. It will be x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, here the degree of numerator is 2. Okay, now denominator will be x square plus 1. Means degree of denominator is also 2, degree of numerator is also 2. That's why which is an improper fraction. Okay, now one more example I'd like to frame here. It is x cube plus x square plus 1. The denominator is x square plus 1. Means degree of a numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2 in the second example. That's why it is an improper fraction. And make one more note here. Okay, every improper fraction can be converted to proper fraction by actual division method. And one more thing you need to note down, every proper fraction can be resolved as a partial fraction. Note down properly, improper fraction cannot be converted to partial fraction. You need to convert only proper fraction to partial fractions. Got it? And if the given question is improper fraction, means what we need to do, convert improper fraction to proper fraction. After that conversion of with a proper fraction, you can resolve it as a partial fraction. Getting my point clearly? Now I need to take the example how to convert improper fraction to proper fraction. Got it? Observe carefully here. In this example, expressing the improper fraction, means given is a improper. Why? Because degree of a numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 1. Okay, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, that's why it is an improper fraction. Means how to convert this improper fraction to proper fraction. Got it? That's why it is a sum of a polynomial as well as a proper fraction. Okay, I'd like to do that particular part here. It will be, concentrate on the board, concentrate. It will be by the actual division method. How I need to convert x minus 1 to x cube minus 3x plus 5. Got it? It is an actual division method. What I need to multiply from x to get 2x cube? It is nothing but x, 2x square I need to multiply here. 2x square into x, it will be 2x cube. Okay, 2x square into 1, it will be minus 2x square. Okay, signs will be changing. 2x cube will be cancelled. After that, I'd like to write 2x square as it is. After that, minus 3x plus 5. Okay, now again, what I need to multiply to get 2x square from x, that is plus 2x I have to multiply. 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Again changing the sign, it will be cancelled again. What is minus 3x plus 2x? It will be minus x plus 5. What I need to multiply to get x from the minus x, means to get minus x from the x, it will be, I need to multiply minus 1. X into minus 1, minus x. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. Okay, again change the sign, it will be x plus x minus x will be cancelled. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Got the point clearly? Now what they told, every improper fraction, okay, every improper fraction can be written as, I'd like to write first of all improper fraction. What is a given improper fraction? 2x cube minus 3x plus 5. Denominator will be x minus 1 as a sum of what? It is a sum of polynomial. What it is? A polynomial. What is the polynomial in this one? Polynomial is that answer we got, that is polynomial. I had to write 2x square plus 2x minus 1. Got it? After that, sum of polynomial plus proper fraction I had to write here. What is the proper fraction? How I had to write? Focus here. What is the remainder I got? First I need to write in the numerator. Okay, I wrote 4. Whatever the actual denominator is there, first I had to write there. It will be x minus 1. Means whenever you are going to simplify the right part, definitely you'll get the left part. Means every improper fraction can be converted as a proper fraction. How the proper fraction? It is a sum of polynomial plus proper fraction. Got the point clearly? Focus on the board. Here I'd like to explain you how to convert given rational function to a form of partial fraction. A step by step I'll tell you. Okay, the first one is when the numerator is polynomial, means linear, the denominator is a quadratic but a distinct, means here a is not equal to b. A quadratic means x minus a, x minus b. Here a is not equal to b. Okay, now how I have to write the given system in the form of partial fraction? We can write, if it is a linear has only single root, that's why we can write this one as a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b. Okay, now the next one will be, if it is px plus q, in your mind, okay, exact question will be there. If a is equal to b, means we will get x minus a whole square. B replaced by, means if the denominator is x minus a whole square, how I have to express in the partial fraction? It is very simple. A divided by, I need to express this one as a x minus a plus b divided by x minus a whole square. If it is power 3 plus c divided by x minus a whole cube, that we need to take. Okay, the format will be, if it is combination of these two, px plus q divided by it is x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Okay, here a, b, c are different values, means we can write a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b plus c divided by x minus c. Getting the point clearly? If it is repeated as well as a multiple with a repeated as well as distinct, will be like this: px, particularly it is px square plus qx plus r. If they given like this, means the denominator x minus a whole square x minus b. Now how I have to convert the particular example? It will be a divided by x minus a plus, it is linear repeated, that's why x minus a plus b divided by, I need to apply the second rule, that is x minus a whole square plus c, means one more linear is there, that is c divided by x minus b. We can say like this. Okay, here also, here power 3 is there, power 1, you can make it power 2 also, px square plus qx plus r also. Then also it is a rational function with a proper, these are all proper fractions. Okay, that is converted into partial fractions. Still one more is there, I'd like to explain. Numerator is quadratic and denominator is, this is linear, and x square plus bx plus c is irreducible quadratic. What is the meaning of irreducible quadratic? It is not possible to factorize like a sum of two linear polynomial. Got it? That's why it is linear. That's why I like to write a divided by x minus a plus. Now it is irreducible quadratic. Quadratic has how many roots? Two roots. That's why I need to define the constant bx plus c. These a, b and c are constants that is to be determined. That's why denominator will be x square plus bx plus c. This is a particular part. How to expressing, this is only the first step that I explained. In the example I'll explain complete part. Observe the example here. It is integral of x divided by x plus 1 x plus 2. Denominator both are linear, means by using the table. I already explained the table. Okay, means how I had to express the given example. That is nothing but a divided by, I need to write x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. The next step will be x divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to, what's the denominator? X plus 1 x plus 2. Okay, now it is a LCM. I have to take a into bracket x plus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 1. Got it? Both the denominators will be cancelled. X is equal to a into bracket x plus 2 b into bracket x plus 1. Call it as a star. Okay, now putting the value, I need to find a and b. What is the first denominator? X plus 1. If it is x plus 1 equal to 0, what is x value? Yes, x value will be minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in the star equation. It is x value is minus 1, a into bracket minus 1 plus 2. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, b value will be 0. Leave it. Minus 1 equal to a, 2 minus 1 will be 1, means the value of a will be minus 1. That I got very clearly. Put x is equal to, next denominator, x plus 2 is equal to 0. What is x equal to? Minus 2. Wherever x is there in the star equation, I need to substitute the value minus 2. X value minus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2, a will be cancelled. B into bracket minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 as it is. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. It will be minus b. Means b value will be 2. Got it? I need to resubstitute these two values in this particular function. You can call it as equation number 1. From 1, I'd like to write, it will be whatever the left hand side, I need to write as it is, x divided by x plus 1 x plus 2. What's the value of a? A value is minus 1. The denominator x plus 1 plus, what is the b value? It is 2 divided by x plus 2. Got it? After that, now what I told you the definition, it is converting the given proper fraction as an sum of means sum of algebraic simple proper fraction that we converted. Okay, after this one, integrating it will be integral of x divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 into dx is equal to minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx plus 2 into integral of 1 divided by x plus 2 into dx. Okay, minus derivative of x will be 1, 1 will be 0, means derivative of denominator is numerator, integral that function log of modulus of x plus 1, got it, plus 2 into log of modulus of x plus 2 plus c minus log of modulus of x plus 1 as it is. Okay, plus what is a log b to the power a, that's why I need to write log of x plus 2, this 2 to the power 2 plus c, what is log a minus log b, it will be log of a by b. What is meaning of a by b? X plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1 plus c. Got it? Observe the next example here. Okay, I'd like to write that 1 minus x square, this denominator I'll multiply x into 1, x minus x into 2x minus 2x square. Degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is also 2, which means the given function is, given fraction is improper fraction. Okay, you must know improper fraction cannot be resolved as a partial fraction. For that reason, what we need to do is converting improper fraction to proper fraction by actual division method. Okay, some simplification I'd like to do here. Taking minus common from the numerator, x square minus 1, taking minus common from the denominator also, 2x square minus x. Okay, minus minus will be eliminated. We got the function as x square minus 1 divided by 2x square minus x. Now I'd like to go with this is improper fraction. It is what? Improper fraction. Okay, now I need to convert this improper fraction to sum of, this is polynomial, sum of polynomial and a proper fraction. Getting my point clearly? By actual division method. What is the actual division method? I'd like to write here. What's the denominator here? 2x square plus 2x square minus x. What's the numerator? It is x square minus 1. Okay, now I am ready to divide it. Okay, I need to get x square from 2x square. What I need to multiply to 2x square to get a x square? I need to multiply 1 by 2. Okay, 2x square into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. I am getting x square. 1 by 2 into x, it is minus x by 2. Got the point clearly? Okay, now changing the sign, minus plus, these 2 will be cancelled. What I got the remainder? X by 2. After next minus 1 I got. Okay, now what is the answer? What's the polynomial? I got the constant value there, 1 by 2. Proper fraction, how I write? I told you first I need to write in the numerator remainder. I had to write x by 2 minus 1. What is the denominator? Whatever the actual denominator is there, I need to write here, 2x square minus x. Got the point clearly? Some sort of adjustment is required in this step. 1 by 2 plus, I need to take 1 by 2 common in the numerator part. If I took a 1 by 2 common, the numerator will be x minus 2. See here, 1 by 2 into x will be x by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 will be 2 by 2 will be 1. Got it? The denominator, in the denominator I'd like to take a common x. If I took x as a common, what is remaining? 2x minus 1 here. Got the point? It is improper fraction is converted to polynomial plus proper. How it is proper? Here degree of numerator is 1, degree of a denominator is 2. Now I'd like to solve this particular part. Okay, got it? Observe the part. It will be, I need to only consider this x minus 2 divided by x into 2x minus 1. Okay, both our denominators will be linear. That's why I like to write a divided by x plus b divided by 2x minus 1. Got it? After that, go with the same step. X minus 2, denominator x into 2x minus 1 is equal to, take the LCM, x into 2x minus 1, okay, numerator, a into bracket 2x minus 1 plus b into x, okay. Both the denominators will be what? Cancelled. Got it? After that, I need to write x minus 2 is equal to a into bracket 2x minus 1 plus bx. Now put x value. I told you already, first denominator x equal to 0. If I am going to substitute the value 0, 0 minus 2 will be minus 2. It will be a into bracket 0. 2 into 0 will be 0. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. B into 0 will be 0. Leave it. Minus a equal to 2, a equal to plus 2. That I got the value. Got it? After that, put x value. X value will be 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1 by 2. I need to write. Means x value I need to substitute 1 by 2 minus 2. If I am going to substitute here 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Whole a part will be 0. Now it will be into 1 divided by 2. Got it? It is 2 into 2 will be 4. 1 minus 4 will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. It will be b by 2. 2 again cancel. I got b is equal to minus 3. Okay. I got these values. I need to resubstitute in this particular equation. How I am going to substitute? Concentrate. X minus 2 divided by x into 2x minus 1 is equal to, what is a value? A value is 2. It will be 2 by x plus b value will be minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. I need to substitute that this value in this particular equation. Okay, can I continue the part? It will be 1 by 2 as it is plus 1 by 2, this also as it is. This x minus 2 divided by x into 2x minus 1. This complete part is replaced by, yes, exactly, 2 by x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. Now this is completely ready to integrate. Got the point? Now I'll continue this particular part. I'd like to write the same term here. X square minus 1 divided by 2x square minus x is equal to, some sort of simplification is required. Was that 1 by 2 is multiplied to first term. 2 to cancel. I got 1 by x. Again 1 by 2 is multiplied to next term. It will be minus 3 by 2 into bracket 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Got the point clearly? After this one, I'd like to go for the integrating. Okay, integrating. It will be integral of x square minus 1 divided by 2x square minus x into dx. Now, right part. 1 by 2 is a constant. 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx plus. Okay. After that, integration for 1 by x dx minus 3 by 2 integral of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 into dx. Got it? 1 by 2, let it be as it is. Integral of 1 will be x plus integral of 1 by x will be log modulus of x minus. Okay. Now check it. 2x derivative we required it as a 2. Derivative of 2x will be 2, means I need a numerator as a 2. That's why simply I am not writing 2. Multiplying 2, dividing 2, means it will be 3 by 4. Here derivative of denominator is numerator. Until that function is log of modulus of 2x minus 1 plus c. Got the answer clearly? Observe the next example here. In the last part, one is proper fraction, other one is improper fraction. In this one, it is irreducible quadratic with a linear. First of all, I'd like to write x divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. Got it? It will be, if x square plus 1 is an irreducible quadratic, means I had to define two constants, ax plus b divided by x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 is linear, that's why c divided by x minus 1. Getting my point clearly? After this one, I need to go for the LCM. X divided by x square plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to ax plus b into x minus 1 plus c into bracket x square plus 1. The LCM will be x square plus 1 x minus 1. Getting the point clearly? Means both the denominators will be cancelled. Okay, that's why I'll rub this particular part. These will be cancelled. I'd like to put a equal to sign here only. Got it? After that, now I'll get a little bit more space to solve here. That's why I put x equal to here x square plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to square root of minus 1. It is the imaginary root. Don't take it. X minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. Okay. Now concentrate. X value as a 1. A into this value will be A into 1 will be A plus B. 1 minus 1 whole part. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Whole part will be 0. Leave it. C into bracket 1 square plus 1 means 1 is equal to 2c. C is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now all the ways are closed. That's why now no other ways are left to substitute the value means put x equal to 0. That is the procedure. Put x equal to 0 means x value 0. A into 0 will be 0. B will be remained. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1 plus C. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Minus B plus C equal to 0. Minus B on left hand side plus B is equal to C means B is same as C. C value is 1 by 2 means B value is also 1 by 2. Okay. Still I need to calculate one more value A. For that reason I'd like to take equating the coefficient. Equating the coefficient of highest power of x. Ax into x, ax square, coefficient of x square I need to equate on the left hand side as well as left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side x square coefficient, x square is term is not there, that's why its coefficient will be 0 is equal to ax into x, ax square, a is the coefficient of x square. Now b into x, bx, b is not a coefficient of x square. What about c into x square? C is the coefficient of x square. That's why I'd like to write a is equal to minus c. A is equal to c value. What is c value? Minus 1 by 2. That's why I got the value as a minus 1 by 2. I need to resubstitute all these values in the equation. Okay. It will be, concentrate on the board. It will be x divided by x square plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to, what is a value? Yes, it is minus 1 divided by 2 x plus b value will be 1 divided by 2, whole denominator will be x square plus 1 plus, what is c value? C value will be 1 divided by 2, denominator will be x minus 1. Getting the point clearly? After this one I need to write the simple step. X divided by x square plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to, I need to split the numerator part, minus 1 by 2 bracket x divided by x square plus 1, got the point, plus that again 1 by 2 by the denominator, 1 by 2 into bracket 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into bracket 1 divided by x minus 1. Now the next step will be integrating. Okay, integrating. I need to integrate the functions. Okay, left part will be integral of the x divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into dx. It will be 1 by 2 integral of x divided by x square plus 1 into dx plus the next 1 divided by 2 integral of 1 divided by x square plus 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. Okay, first one, x square derivative to x, I need 2 here. That's why multiplying 2 dividing 2, it will be minus 1 divided by 4. Derivative of denominator is numerator, integral that function log modulus of x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2. What is integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square? It will be tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2. Integral of 1 divided by x minus 1. Derivative of denominator is numerator, integral that function log modulus of x minus 1 plus c. Got the point clearly? Next one is a different example. It is a linear repeated and linear is there. That's why x divided by x minus 1 whole square x plus 2 means how I had to write. I already explained the table. A divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now here important thing is how to take the LCM. I will make the point very simple. Whatever the denominator is there, that we had write here. x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Okay. Now a into bracket, it has x minus 1, one term. That's why one more term is there. That's why I need to multiply x minus 1 as well as x plus 2 plus b into, okay, b into, it has x minus 1 whole square, means it doesn't have x plus 2. That's why I need to multiply x plus 2 plus c. It will be having x plus 2 as a denominator. That's why I need to multiply x minus 1 whole square. Means both the denominators will be cancelled. If both denominators will be cancelled, means I'll rub the part, means I'll get the more space to write the solution. Okay. Now I'll start the, as usual, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 1 means 1 minus 1 0. B into bracket, it will be 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3b is equal to 1, b equal to 1 by 3. Got it? After the next, put x is equal to minus 2, because here it will be having the same value. X plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 2 plus 2 0. That's why c into bracket minus 2 minus 1 whole square. It will be minus 2 minus 1 whole square will be minus 3 square will be 9c. c is equal to minus 2 by 9. Okay. No other ways are left over. That's why I need to write, put x is equal to 0. I'll write. Okay. Left part will be 0. A into bracket 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. 0 plus 2 will be 2 plus b into 0 plus 2 will be 2 plus c into 0 minus 1 whole square will be 1. Okay. It is minus 2a on left hand side. It will be 2a is equal to 2b. B value will be 1 by 3. C value will be minus 2 by 9. Okay. 2a is equal to, what's the LCM? LCM will be 9. Okay. 3 will 3 3s are 3 2s are again 6 minus 2. 2a means it value will 6 minus 2 will be 4 divided by 9. Means we can write the a value as a 4 by 2 will be 2 by 9. Got the point clearly? Okay. I substituted the value, ABC value I substituted. Now I need to integrate. I'll write the integration here only. Integral of the function, integral of the function, integral of the function, like this. Got it? Now take the constant outside. 2 divided by 9. What is derivative of denominator is numerator. Integral that function. Log modulus of x minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Here x minus 1 whole square is there. Take that term to numerator. It will be x minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 2 by 9. Derivative of denominator numerator log modulus of x plus 2 plus c. It will be here also 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Take a common 2 by 9. Log a minus log b. It is log of a by b means x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus it will be okay, x minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. It will be 1 divided by x minus 1, which will be the denominator having a positive power with a 3 as a multiplier. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. It will be minus 1 divided by 3 into x minus 1 plus c. I think you understood all the concepts. I explained a simple parts in the partial fraction. In the next part, little bit different problems by using the partial fractions. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.